Good morning. For today, we are going to be working in Quill to start off with. So, just like we have been doing, go ahead and get into Quill, complete at least one assignment, and you don't have to submit anything because I will go in and check your scores myself. If for some reason you don't have any activities showing as available, please let me know and then I can assign the next sort of set of them to you. I have had a couple of people that have said that they have sort of finished everything that had been assigned to them. So if that's you, just let me know so that I don't think that you're just not doing anything and I can get you assigned to some new activities. So for today, after you finish Quill, your journal is going to cover another myth, and you are going to explain what lesson the myth teaches and then explain your thinking. So this myth is more, it's less about like a natural phenomenon like how in the last video with Isis and the seven scorpions, it was telling a story and teaching a lesson, but it was also kind of telling the history of why they treat scorpion bites the way that they do, right? They say this incantation and they put this, this sort of substance on it to draw out the venom. So it was sort of explaining that process and that practice. But this one is more so about teaching a lesson. And so you're going to think about what that lesson is, sort of explain maybe where you see that lesson. Just make sure you write at least 3 sentences. So you could say something like, the lesson this myth teaches is blah, blah, blah. You can see that because this happens. You can also see it when this happens or something like that. You want to give some examples or explain your thinking with that lesson that you identify. So this is the myth of O'Shane, and this is an Irish myth. And make sure you write at least 3 sentences with proper capitalization and punctuation to receive credit. Then our main assignment for today is going to be a comparison of different creation myths. So we talked last class about how one of the patterns of mythology tends to be that they deal with the creation of either the world or of, certain animals or certain features of the world, basically explaining how we got here and why things are the way that they are. So I have video directions linked on this assignment. So you can click out of this video when you're done and watch those directions, but please make sure that you watch them. And then you will complete this chart and the question at the bottom. Just as a reminder, your Article of the Week 5 is due today. So please make sure that you are also getting that completed. And today is the last day of the quarter. So please make sure that you're getting missing work turned in as soon as possible. On your Article of the Week, there are also video directions and a video explaining Schaefer method. So if you've been losing points for not using Schaefer method, make sure that you review that video. Zoom question and hour links are right here if you need them, or you can email me and ask questions. There's no school on Monday, so that is another kind of catch-up day for you all. And then for A-Day students, our next day of class is actually next Wednesday. And then you have fall break on Thursday and Friday. So if you have questions, please let me know. And otherwise, have a wonderful day.